We all know innovation is a matter of heads, of passion, of all human qualities. There is a lack of skilled labor, and there is also a lack of communicating how great the technology around tool grinding is, and all the industry and the community. The Grinder of the Year 2024 is the first edition of Grinder of the Year, building up on a tradition before that was purely German, Werkzeugschleifer des Jahres. We are very proud to be the sponsor this year, and we're even prouder that we can let our candidates grind their tools on the brand new FX7 Ultra, which has been designed for highest quality, lowest cost tools. And the most important point is probably that we know that in the end, everybody's going to say the intuitivity of our software and the simulation helps everyone who understands the craft to easily get to the best and most cost-efficient tool.
Tool grinding machines are fundamentally a key element in production of any metal cutting, woodworking, surgical application. Tool grinding is really underpinning a big section of manufacturing industry throughout the world. One of the key, besides the machine, the skill of the operator is critical. ANCA internally has got a very active apprenticeship program to produce skilled tradesmen in our production facilities. Here at taken had advantage to be sponsor Tool Grinder of the Year to show the skills of young tradesmen who are entering in, young technicians who are entering in the field of tool grinding. And it's a great privilege to actually see the skill of the young operators and how it's even at a young age, using the sophistication of our machines and software, can produce complex, accurate tools in a productive fashion in a high-stress, competitive area. That's totally impressive, really, to see what the young kids are achieving.
I'm also part of the competition Grinder of the Year 2024 here at Stuttgart, at Germany. I took part in this competition because I wanted to learn something about the tool industry. It's kind of new for me because I work at a company which is building tools for big producers like Audi and Volkswagen. I was really excited to learn about so many facts about that whole technique. We designed a cutting tool, grinded it at the new ANCA FX7 Ultra. Yeah, it was really exciting. It's a competition, but I think we are no enemies or something like that. It's kind of a friendship in here.
I am one of the finalists of the Grinder of the Year. I want to get some experience in such a big challenge for my job, and I think it's a good training to work under a piece of stress.
Hello, my name is Simon. I'm come from Oakham and I work at Rotteneichel Tools GmbH.
I would like to expand my experience in this event. I'm Zerspannungsmechaniker in the Firma FGen GmbH und ich freue mich sehr, hier mitmachen zu dürfen und bin gespannt auf den morgigen Tag, wo 3 Finalisten nochmal ein weiteres Teil schleifen dürfen.
This competition here, Grinder of the Year, it gave me lots of new experience and some other software than I learned. New machine to grind on. It's something really different than what I learned, but it's very nice to learn something new. I'm glad to be here. I'm glad to enjoy this competition with all the others.
Entscheidung der 3 Finalisten.
Das war sehr knapp. Alle 3 Finalisten haben nach Schulnote ein sehr gut abgeliefert.
Jungs, Glückwunsch! Grinder of the Year 2024 Fest. Ein Riesenapplaus bitte für Osman Süle. Herzlichen Glückwunsch, Osman.
Now we have the winner of Grinder of the Year 2024, Osman. So how you feel?
Well, I can't describe it. It's very nice. I'm happy to win. Unbelievable.
So actually it was not one day, right? It was a long process.
Yes.
You people applied and took time, and finally 5 finalists, and last 2 days in Grinding Hub, and today also you did the actual work, and finally the jury found out you are the best grinder. How you think that this experience will take you ahead?
It's difficult. It's nice to see. It's really nice to see some other machines, some other softwares. Nice experience to look outside the box. Yes, we will see.
I wish you all the very best.
Thank you very much.
See you.